everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS and welcome to episode 2 of what you can do with red lentils. So I'm going to be doing 30 red lentil recipes for you guys, and in this one we're going to be making a hummus alternative made out of red lentils. This is so creamy, silky, and delicious, and I'm so excited for you guys to try this. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Right, so I'm just going to start by adding 1 cup of red lentils into my strainer here. Next, I'm going to cook my lentils, so I'm going to bring a medium pot to a boil. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the water there. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm going to add in my lentils. All right, our water is boiling, so we are just going to carefully add in these red lentils, and we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to reduce to a simmer once I have these in here. All right, now I'm just going to reduce that to a simmer and cook these down for about 9 to 10 minutes. All right, my lentils have been cooking for about 10 minutes here. So you can see these are nice and cooked. Don't worry if they look slightly mushy. We want them like that because we are going to be blending them up. All right, now I'm just going to strain those lentils again. Pour off all the water. All right, now I'm just going to add these ingredients into a high-powered blender or a food processor. So I'm going to add in my cooked lentils first into the blender here. And next I'm going to add in 1 clove of garlic. Mine were super tiny, so I'm going to add 2 in. Then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add in 1 little dash of turmeric just for color. This is totally optional. And then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of tahini. Then we're going to add in salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt and some black pepper to taste. All right, now I am going to blend this until it's nice and smooth and creamy, and if I need to, I have a little bit of water I can add in for the consistency. Look at that, so silky and creamy. I didn't end up using any water, so my dip is actually quite thick, which I wanted, but if you want it a little bit thinner, you can just add water a tablespoon at a time. I'm just gonna spread that around. Look how creamy. Now for topping, you can put some fresh parsley if you have it, and then just a nice drizzle of really nice extra virgin olive oil. I have a Tuscan herb olive oil I'm going to use here, which tastes so good, but you can use any olive oil you like. And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of paprika or smoked paprika. So I've got smoked paprika here, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top.
Taste test time. Let's try this out.
Similar to a hummus.
Mmm.
But made with lentils. Do you like it?
Mmm. That's beautiful.
So creamy.
Mmm. I can finish this plate.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more recipe ideas like this, make sure you like and subscribe.